Welcome to our class. This class is specially meant for those who aspires to become a professor in colleges and universities. So, UGC Faculty Recruitment Regulation 2018. According to the UGC Faculty Recruitment Regulation 2018, if you want to become a lecturer in a college or in a university, you have to possess master degree plus NET or SLET. SLET means state level eligibility test. It is almost like a NET which is conducted by the state government, but it is valuable only in the geographical limit of the particular state. So it is applicable only in the particular state. For example, if the Tamil Nadu government SLET is applicable only in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, you can become a professor in Tamil Nadu colleges. So it was according to the UGC regulation 2018. So few days back, there was a sudden announcement from Human Resource Department under Minister Prakash Javadekar. So this 2018 rule is applicable only up to only up to June 30th, 2021. So from July 1st, 2021 onwards, if you want to continue or become a professor in a college or in university, you must possess PhD. PhD has become mandatory. Mandatory means compulsory. So according to the UGC guidelines, hereafter, that is after July 1st, 2021, there should not be any appointment in private or self-finance or in aided or in government colleges or in universities without PhD. The candidate must possess PhD. So, this is why the government has suddenly informed this, suddenly changed the rule. Because when compared to other developing countries, in India is lagging in research. Indian universities, Indian colleges are lagging in research. So, in order to encourage research, the government has given such an order. So, the working hours in the universities and colleges will be reduced in order to encourage the lecturers to undertake researches. And then there will also be, the government also said there will be some indicators, some test for the professors, like academic performance indicator, API. This is API is to assess the performance of the professors. So my instruction is that I want to inform this instruction to you to get ready if you don't possess a PhD. Today in most of the colleges, self-finance and aided and private colleges, there are lecturers, several lecturers are working with master degree without NET, SLET or PhD. And they are paid very low. So the government also, we want the government also to consider or fix the pay of the lecturers in the private or self-finance colleges. In some colleges in India, several colleges in India, the lecturers are paid 5,000 and 4,000, less than 6,000, 7,000 rupees they are getting monthly. So they have to fix, when government is giving such a clear instruction to improve the standard of Indian masses, they also consider, it is our plea, they have also fixed the salaries of the junior lecturers, those who works in the private and self-finance colleges. So most of the colleges in India are appointing without following the guidelines of UGC. So we really welcome the HRD department for giving such an instructions. It's to improve. We have to take it as a positivity, because it is to improve the standard of education of Indian masses. So kindly equip yourself before 2021 June. Kindly get ready to do your PhD if you don't possess. Thank you. Have a nice day.